All right, next type of transformation we're going to talk about is called a reflection. Now, a reflection is a transformation that flips a figure across a line. And the line is called the line of reflection. If you take a look at this problem, I ask you to graph the image of pentagon ABCDE after a reflection across the y-axis. Well, that tells you the y-axis is going to be your line of reflection. So we're going to reflect this image across the y-axis. Now, when you do a reflection, it's pretty easy stuff. All you need to do is reflect each of the vertices. And then you connect the points, and you'll have it. So if you notice, point D was 1, 2, 3 units away from our line of reflection. So if we go 1, 2, 3 units from our line of reflection, then we'll call that point D prime. Let's take a look at point E. Point E, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units from the line of reflection. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Reflect that vertex there, vertex E, and we're going to call that E prime. So we've reflected each of these vertices. And once again, very important to note that each point and its image are the same distance from the line of reflection. Point C is 2 units from the line of reflection, so we're going to come across 2 units, and we're going to call that point right there C prime. Point B, 3 units. We'll call that guy B prime. And lastly, point A is 5 units, so we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units here, and we'll have point A prime. Connect your points. And you've just reflected pentagon ABCDE across the y-axis. Very important to notice that when you reflect an image, you preserve the size and the shape of the pre-image. However, your orientation is not the same. Your orientation, you get a mirror image. And that's one of the most important concepts you understand about reflections, is that you preserve size, shape. The images are still congruent. However, the orientation is changed on a reflection.